Right, we need to do some more work on this back wall. So if we highlight the front wall, because I forgot to add an extra wall, so if I highlight the front wall, move tool, control, along the green axis, and we'll bring it out there. Now we've got an arch we've got to get rid of, but the wall looks pretty solid. So double click to edit. We'll join the line up along the bottom, and then we'll do the same along the back. There we go. And we should get a rubber tool, take out the excess geometry, and then take out the excess geometry there. Now it's facing the wrong way, so we highlight, or we pick it, right click, flip along the green axis. So there we go. Now if we get a move tool on the corner along the green axis, which is the left button, left arrow I should say, and then we can put it back on the wall. Job done. We know that fits because the front fits. Double click, highlight the front, copy, click away, edit, paste in place. Highlight, on the bottom we want to lay our bricks down. We'll go to OOB, we'll get our bricks set up, click on OK, and then we'll get our bricks on our back wall. So we'll click the back wall, hopefully, back wall, and we'll do a control and click the front wall, right click, make group. And if you right click again and hide, you'll see excess geometry there. It's left by the bricks. Delete, gets rid of it. And we edit and we unhide the bricks again. So there we go, solid wall. Now what we want to do is make a lean-to on the back. We'll put another building on side. So it's very much like video 1. Roughly, or we'll size it in a minute. So we want a frame of 2.5 wide. We'll do a Control Z, we'll draw that in easier. So we want a frame of 2.5 wide by say 4 meters long, so it's 0.25 comma 4, enter. We'll move that out, it's gone under the building, and we'll work on it away from the building, doesn't matter. And then we want to pull it, or right click, reverse the face on it, and then pull it up, so about halfway. It's an outbuilding. And we want to put a sloping roof on this one, so if we click on the middle, control, and we'll pull it up a bit more and give a sloping roof. Pencil tool across the corner there, highlight that edge, push pull tool, and we'll push it so it disappears. We'll get rid of this line here, we'll work on this face here, put one on the back as well, and then we'll offset our frame by 0.5, and then we'll use the push pull tool. We'll highlight the piece we want to push pull, and we'll push that through to the back and make it disappear, and then we'll use that as our right side. So triple click, right click, make a group. Let's pull it back onto our building along the green axis till it'll touch the wall. It won't be fixed, it'll just be, gives us a better guide. Click on Move Tool, Control along the red axis, so we slide it along the wall. There we go. So now we've got a start of our frame like we did in video 1. Now if we draw a rectangle tool, we'll come across the front, and then we'll push pull tool and we'll push it back to the back of the frame. And then we want to use the move tool and select the back edge, and we'll go on the blue arrow or blue axis, which is the up arrow, and then we'll push it up. You see it's just that back one going, but if we reference it off the edge, this will make a solid piece there. Now we know that's 2.5, it should be. Yep. And then our frame there is 5mm. Yep. So if we pick the front, offset by 2.5, 0.25, pick the front, push it through to the back, can reference it off there, and then if we want a door in it, we'll push the front edge down till that disappears. Offset limit reached. Done. We'll get rid of this bottom geometry, it's not needed, and then we'll triple click, right click, make a group. So now we've got the back wall, side wall, and we would print these items, the back wall flat, these items laid on your bed, and glue them together and you get a super strong structure. Well, that's all for this video. The next one, I'll put some detail on this outbuilding. Thank you.